back to my channel. So my name is Pauline. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and share my videos, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. I'm gonna be blow drying my hair today with the new blow dryer that I bought off Amazon. So like this, I can't believe I got this blow dryer. I cannot believe that. Like, I have been waiting for the blow dryer to go on sale for the past like a year and a half now, but it had never ever go on sale. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the link down below if you are interested. You can look it out. And so in today's videos, I'm going to be showing you guys a few tips how I use the RevAir, especially with people with like 8-inch, like 10-inch and stuff like that. Like when I was buying this blow dryer, I was thinking like, oh, this not really going to work for me. My hair is just 8-inch and stuff like that. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if your hair is like, you can try it, you can use it. Hair is washed. I washed my hair this morning, and I think probably my hair is like 50% dry. So I did use the moisturizing dry defining shampoo by Cream of Nature, and it's also pure honey. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the link down below. So for my conditioner, I also use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. So I talked about this product before in one of my videos, so I am not going to talk too much in the video, so let's just go ahead and open the package and see what the universe got for us. Over here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add to see. I know it's gonna start making noise, so I'm gonna go ahead and add. It's on 2. It's on 1. Yo, y'all. So like this sound like a vacuum, okay? It sound like a vacuum. If you put this on, just make sure everybody in the house is up, nobody's sleeping, so you don't have to disturb anybody. But that's it, y'all. Everything is set up, and I got the blow dryer here. Everything's set up, is ready to use. And oh, I just want you guys to see the difference. So I'm gonna do this later, so I'm just gonna do this session so you guys can see what's the different, you know, so you guys can see the difference. So I part my hair and I put the click on there. So I'm gonna be taking this session. This is gonna be the first one to use, so I'm just gonna use this first, then after that I'm gonna, like, you know, it's gonna keep going in with everything. So this is the first one I did, y'all, and see the length it gave me. Then I still gotta keep going, I still gotta go back in more, but this is the first one I did. And because I like it, because for the fact that it's not too hot. Like, the only problem I got with this right now is it make too much noise. It sounds like a vacuum, but I like it. That's how it is. But here's the difference. So I blow out this one here, I blow out this. I'm about to do this side, and that's it. That's it different. You see, that's it different, y'all. So leave a comment down below what you think. I'm on battery about to die, so come back because I had to cut my ends today, and come back, cut my ends, and we're gonna cut it a day. So leave a comment down below, tell me what you think. Me this way, I never knew you would favor me this way. So I feel like I do have a lot of dead end in my hair, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna like grab the scissors. I'm just gonna grab the scissors and cut some of the dead end of my hair. So that's what we finna do right now. So my hair is fussy hair, is crazy, but yeah. So that's the I never knew you would favor me this way, daddy. I never knew you would favor me this way. I don't know why it's keep in my hair, y'all, but this is my hair. filter. This is the amount of hair that I went in the filter. Yeah, you guys can see. So that's the amount of hair that went in the filter. If I was using any other blow dryer, I was going to lose a lot of hair than this. So, and this is the finishing look of my hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and put them in a bun already, and you guys can see the back is up in a little bun. And I'm just gonna go ahead and fix my edges, and I'm gonna call it a day. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and share my video, and don't forget to leave a comment down below.